Undeveloped land is at a premium in the metro area. There are 27 acres of it in northeast Aurora, and there's a vision for health clinics, stores, restaurants, childcare facilities. Before developing that property, neighborhood advocates are making sure that it's what the community really wants there. Here's Victoria De Leon.
It's long overdue for people to for us to have input over what we want in our communities.
Change starts with the people who want to see it.
Yes.
That's why Shalila Dillard,
You need to be a part of this.
is in Aurora doing this.
So you guys had no idea that there was going to be something over here.
I had no idea. I thought that this was just a big ass open space.
She spent the morning learning about the developments people want to see in their community.
I want to definitely see restaurants. We were talking about there's not access to Whole Foods or Sprouts over here. You have to go all the way to Denver.
I mean, yeah, because there's a lot of room in this field, so if anything.
Yeah.
Where most see empty land.
So when we look out at the site right now, we see a lot of prairie dogs living their best lives.
Diane Miles is working with Shalila to develop the Aurora Community Health Commons at the corner of Colfax and Airport Boulevard.
We really want to create a space where they can come and access health care and wealth creating opportunities in their community that they have lived in for years. So I envision housing that is owned by the community members. I envision wealth creating opportunities, grocery stores, an ecosystem.
They want to help bring services that people like Isaiah Wing will directly benefit from.
Childcare, stores, restaurants, just whatever, stuff that we could use, really.
This is how it should be done. There should never be a time where developers come in and tell the community what they want.
The community can generate wealth within itself.
Shalila and Diane want more people involved in the changes to come in the community they also call home.
Well, I'm glad you came out just to check in on your community, make sure everything is everything.
And so the people who live and work in these communities are the biggest driving forces behind this project, but it is also a partnership with CU Anschutz and Salud Family Health. So as far as timelines go, they want to start drawing out plans in 2022 after they've had some time to hear from as many people as possible in the Aurora neighborhoods. And if you live there, they want to hear from you. There's a survey out there that they want people to fill out by November 15th. And Kyle, that link's going to be up on our website.
They want to hear from people in that neighborhood as opposed to people who might want to move in. I think so often, Victoria, when we talk about development, there's a connotation that gentrification is happening, that the people who live in the immediate neighborhood, that their needs are not being met. It's for somebody else.
Yep, and what was great about today was I got the chance to actually speak to people who live there, people who didn't know about these plans, and they were very excited about the potential for childcare, for a park for their kids to play in, because right now there's nowhere for their kids to play. But they did bring up that question, is my rent going to go up? And so those are the concerns that these people want to hear about, and there's monthly meetings to address those concerns and how to make this, a development where it's not going to be pushing people out.
Yeah, and then hopefully some developer can come in and make some nice money and build something that people like and everybody leaves happy. How about that? All right, Victoria, thank you.